Hello everyone, my name is Adilmir. As we have brought some low vision solutions earlier also. Now I am coming with some more low vision solutions. And before going into that, everyone is facing challenges in different aspects when it comes to the low vision. So for that, we have different magnifiers and all those things are there. But when it comes to the writing, when I am writing on my own, so what is happening? I am not able to write in a straight line. Maximum of our low vision fellows are facing struggle in writing in a straight line. So for that, we have some solutions. Whether you are writing on a paper or there is any other option available, we will come to know into this video that what are the options available for low visions. So we have a low vision kit here. In this first option I will show you is, this is writing guide for low vision, A4 writing guide, and this one if we are keeping here, so we can easily write in a straight line. I am just going to show you the demo. So I am able to write in this way now. So this is helping in writing in a straight line. If I am removing, it is in a straight line now. But if I am writing without this, I may not be able to write in straight. It may go up or down. So this is the issue. So this solution is called a writing guide, and which is helping in writing in a straight line for any kind of low visions. And similarly, we have some other device, some other solutions which is helping. So this is one more solution, which is when we are writing for the post address and all. So this is helping us in writing. So we can keep to and from also on this. Okay, so we can write as per our requirement to and from the postal address when we are sending any courier, or we are going to post office and sending something from our end to one place to another. So we have to write, we are taking someone's support. At that time we can write from here, from where we are sending and to whom we are sending. So this is also one of the solutions for low vision. We have one more solution. We can't carry that big, if you can't carry that big thing in your hand or in your bag. So we have one more option there. It is called a single line guide. So we can take it in our local bag, laptop bag and all, or school bag also. So if we want to write, we can put it, and line by line also we can write. So in this way we can write in a straight line. So in this way we can write in a straight line with the single line guide, or if we have a writing guide which is almost 12 rows are there, you can write in that also. Then we have one more which is also very important for us, which is nowadays it is not that much used. Very rarely businessman may be using it, but still this is also one of the solutions for writing the when we are going to banks and all, we have to write the check books and all. So this is checkbook guide. So we can use this checkbook guide for writing the checks and all. Okay, this is also one of the solutions. So this is how we can the account number and all those details will be written, and this side also whatever the important details are there.